Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. This video will give you a brief demonstration about the working of the production module in Logic ERP enterprise software. Logic ERP Veritable Manufacturing Solutions works on trio dimensions with data analytic, from pre-production planning, WIP production, and post-production activities covering all major and minor requirements of manufacturing business. Logic ERP provides precise software solution for inventory management that includes features such as stock level-wise inventory management, stock verification for timely audits, stock in/out with multiple conversions, etc. It also facilitates concept of applying business process management design and tools to the areas of manufacturing plant and supply chain activity management within the enterprise. It also provides configurable bills of material for both single product as well as multi-level with individual BOM. Cost management can also be handled explicitly by collecting, analyzing, reporting cost information to more effectively forecasting budget and monitoring costs. It also has provision for supportive merchandise management. Logic ERP also takes care of each and every activity that is part of supply chain management. It also provides impeccable insights for future growth and giving company a competitive edge. Let's get started with the video. First of all, we will go to Production Setup module. The first and foremost step, click to open Setup Process Group and Processes. You can create both discrete as well as sequential process, but we will discuss sequential process first. Right-click on the process group to create new process group. Give a group name you wish to add. Now right-click on the process group to add processes. Define the process name, process type, and save it. You may also add subgroups by right-clicking on the process. Sub-processes are created to track the worker efficiency or output of a particular department. For example, cutting may have many sub-processes in single department. Worker-wise piece rate payroll calculations can also be updated for each sub-process. Simply define the sub-process. In similar fashion, you can add as many processes as well as sub-processes you want. Let's add few more. Moving on to next option, that is used to set up the BOM raw material types. BOM raw material types are created to have a detailed cost calculation for process. Enter the bill of materials raw material types and save it. Let's go to next option where we need to define the BOM expenses. BOM expenses are indirect cost, which can be defined and linked with job order to have more realistic cost of a production lot. Simply define the expense name, type, and all the other required information and save it. Moving on to next option, where we will define the job order instructions. Job order instructions are created to pass on the important checklist points to department to carry on production for specific lot, design, or style number. Firstly, you need to define the instruction groups. After that, go to Instruction tab and select the instruction group name. Define the instructions associated with the respective groups. define the instructions for other groups as well, in the similar way. Next, we are going to define the production rejection reasons. Production rejection master are created to trace and make analysis for frequent reason responsible for rejection, which helps to focus on the part of improvement. Enter the rejection reasons and short name. Moving forward to the next option, where we are supposed to set up quality control parameters for production. We can track and control the required inputs of quality check or test, which are very important before moving goods to other processes. First of all, define the parameter groups and save it. Then, go to Next tab to define the parameters. Select the parameter group, name, type, range, etc., and save the changes made. After that, go to Next tab to link the parameters to item and process. Simply choose the item you wish to link. Then, select the quality control parameter. Choose the process from the list and click to refresh. You can define the specific value or range value for quality control check. Save the defined data. Next, we have an option to set up job order instructions for measurements. We can create different groups of same product and enter the standard formats for cutting, as per company, which are passed on to the cutting department or job worker as a guideline. Define the instructions groups. You can also enter the remarks in description column. Then, go to Set up Document Instructions option and define instructions for respective instruction group. Moving on to next setup option, that is used to define template for job order measurement instructions. Select the defined template and tick to choose document remarks and packs. Define the measurements of all packs available for respective remarks. Don't forget to save the details. Next option allows to link the process with an item. Select the item and click to refresh. Expand to view all the sizes available for this item. Here we have already linked the process with the items. To add a process, you can click on Add button and select the process from the list. Similarly, if you wish to unlink a process from an item, you can click on Remove button. Moving further, you can also specify the raw materials that will be used in the production of an item under a certain process. In this form, we update finish item shade plus process plus raw material wise consumption per piece, or for batch quantity as required. You can also copy the raw material details from another item, using F5 key. Simply select the source item and destination item from list. Click on Copy button. Next option will allow to link sub-process with items. Select the item and sub-process from the search list. Then click on Refresh button. Hit the space key to link the worker name. Next, we need to set up the MRP planning configuration. In the next option, we can set up lead time for MRP planning. MRP planning is linked with sale order, wherein we can make monthly plan of raw material, as per supplier lead time of delivery so that we don't overload raw material with excess stock. Select branch name, item name and party name. Click on Refresh button. Lead time is entered as if some raw material are locally available so can be purchased anytime, and other, which needs more time, can be ordered beforehand. Define number of days in lead days column and save it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.